Where do you find inspiration for making a salad? Hi, it's Coach Nancy with The Watering Mouth, where we give you the mindset and the recipes to eat to live, lose the weight, love the process for good. What inspires you when it's time to make a salad? Maybe we're asking the wrong question. Maybe if we just open the refrigerator, look what's inside, things will magically come together. Well, we'd like that to happen, but that's kind of what happened for me today with this video that I'm leading into right now. This is a salad inspiration video, and I literally opened up the refrigerator, pulled out what I had in there, leftovers, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, whipped up a dressing and had a salad. So I'm showing you how simple that can be. And if you would like these recipes, I did write down what I did after I did it, and that is on a cheat sheet, we call it. You can get the recipe on a PDF, and you can get that by going to thewateringmouth.com/cheatsheets, and you can get the recipes. So let's dive in and see if you get some salad inspiration today. I had a big Napa cabbage in the refrigerator, so I'll slice off some of that and I will cut it up just a bit and rinse it. It's easier to wash when it's cut up. I'll rinse it, spin it in my salad spinner. So the greens are going to go in my chopping bowl. If you don't have one, don't worry about that. I just like to use this because it keeps everything together, but you can totally do this with a knife on a cutting board or in a large mixing bowl with a pair of scissors. There's a chopping implement and bowl available at our Amazon shop on the Watering Mouth website as well. I highly recommend chopping your salads into very small pieces. It just makes it easier to eat. It's so much more pleasant to have a bite of this salad. I can even use a spoon to eat my salad, as opposed to a great big leaf that you're trying to put in your mouth. I have some baby arugula I'm going to put in here and some spring mix to round out the greens portion. I have a little red onion, so I'll chop that in with the greens. If you don't like all that onion, you can chop it separately and just put it on top. That's up to you. This just makes it easy. So this is going to go into my 2-quart serving bowl. Yes, I will eat all of this. I have these yellow tomatoes that I need to use up, so I'll dice them and arrange them on top. I cooked up some mushrooms in the microwave just for a minute or two, and I've got them because that's part of our G-bombs: greens, beans, onions, mushrooms, berries, seeds, and nuts. And then a little bit of quinoa because I have that to use. And then this cute little squash. I bought this and I didn't know what I was going to use it for. I just wanted to try it. I don't even remember the variety that it is. But I just wrapped it in parchment paper, put it in the oven for on 350. I probably slashed it first so it didn't explode. And now I'll just cut it in half and I'll pull out the innards and chop up some of the meat of it, so to speak. It's not beautiful cubes, but it works. Adds a nice little sweetness and softness into the salad. And I found some roasted Brussels sprouts that needed to be used, so on they go. You know, when I went to make lunch, I had no idea this is what I would have. Look at the colors and the texture. It's gorgeous. Now, I think a little Asian flavor will be nice on top, so I whip up a simple dressing. I use cashews as the base. You can soak your cashews ahead of time. I didn't, but my Vitamix will make fast work of them. And then I add a spoonful of peanut butter, some orange zest and juice. Now some fresh garlic and fresh ginger, a smidge of miso, some unseasoned rice vinegar. It's a nice 4% vinegar, so it's a little soft. It's not quite as sharp as other vinegars. And a dash of sriracha for a little heat. Now just whirl this up and it's a beautiful dressing. So lunch is ready. All these ingredients are readily available in my kitchen most of the time. Certainly the ones for the dressing are available, so I can pull a dressing together quickly if I need to. And I can, make double batch, triple batch and have it in my fridge ahead of time. I just didn't have it today. So having a pantry and a refrigerator stocked with micronutrient-dense foods makes pulling together a salad quite easy. So there you have it, my clean out the fridge salad. Looks good, doesn't it? It's really amazing what you can pull together when you have the ingredients on hand. I literally was at the grocery store and bought that little squash, didn't know what I was going to use it for, decided to go ahead and bake it so I had it available, and then there it was for the salad. So thinking a little bit ahead, planning a little bit is helpful. Sometimes you just pull it together. So again, if you want these recipes, go to thewateringmouth.com/cheatsheets and you can sign up to get this recipe and all the other that we've had in the past and all the other ones that we'll have in the future. Until next time, I'm Coach Nancy for The Watering Mouth, where we bring you the mindset and the recipes to eat to live, lose the weight, love the process for good.